Today we are in Gissi, a small village situated in Abruzzo region, at just 30 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast, situated on a hill on a panoramic spot. And we are in the middle of the town center, and right there is the town hall and the historic center, and this is the main road of the village where all kinds of facilities are situated. And today we are going to see a townhouse situated just below this lovely little square. The house is this one right here, situated in the corner. As you can see, there are parking spaces just right here in front of the house, and down there is a big parking space with 3 floors. Going this way, we can reach the entrance of the house. This part down here is the historic center of Gissi. And this is the townhouse. It is in perfect conditions, completely restored and ready to live in. And has 3 floors. On the upper floor we also find a lovely terrace. This is the main entrance. As we enter, we find a large landing. This right here is the gas boiler. So as you can see, the house has all utilities connected, including central heating system. Beautiful flooring. Proceeding this way, we find a room that now it is used as a laundry space, but is quite a big size and avails also of a second entrance. That is the one that we saw from outside. And here we have another room used as storage space. It is always convenient to have space to store your things. And here we have the cellar. This is a traditional cellar, As you can see, it has vaulted ceilings, is completely made of stone and brick. And this right there is where the room where the water tank is located. It is always handy to have a water tank in case of water shortage. Now we can go upstairs. The railing of this staircase is completely made in wrought iron. As you can see, there are beautiful details in this house. And on the first floor we find the living and dining area. This is a big room where we find dining room, living room and kitchen with these beautiful arches made of brick. Here we have also a small balcony overlooking the little square that we saw earlier. As you can see, the windows are brand new and double glazed, very good quality and with mosquito nets. And proceeding this way, we find a fully equipped kitchen with a window, and here we have the living corner with a fireplace. With exposed bricks. This is actually a thermal fireplace. Nice and cozy sitting area. And proceeding this way, we find the master bedroom. Very bright. And also avails of a balcony. The balcony enjoys a nice view on the historic center and the surrounding hills. And also down there you have a beautiful distant sea view. And here on the right we have a full bathroom with a bathtub. This bathroom has no window, but it has ventilation. And proceeding this way, we can reach the upper floor. And on this floor we find a large landing another large bedroom. And here we have the second bathroom of the house. With a shower. And here, opening this door, we can reach an outdoor space through which we have access to the terrace. We have another door here. We find a corridor. Here we have a spare room. And this is the terrace with a beautiful panoramic view. It is a nice place to relax outside under this wooden veranda, and also it is very private with a beautiful view on the historic center, the surrounding hills, and a distant sea view right there. The house has all utilities is connected, including central heating system, is in perfect conditions, ready to live in. It has been completely restored and it is in a central spot of the village at walking distance from all kinds of facilities. And Gissi is just at 25 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. For more information, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.